Hello friends, welcome back to our robotics practical series. In today's video, I will show the hands-on practical using capacitor in Tinkercad. Okay, capacitor is a small electronic component that can store and release electric charges for very short time. Okay, the unit of capacitor is microfarad.
A measure of capacitance.
Capacitance tells how much electric charge the capacitor can store, just like water tank stores water and
Flows out water
through tap, right? When the circuit is on, the capacitor charges up, and when circuit is off, the capacitor discharges. Okay, so go to the computer screen. Step by step, I will build the electronic circuit using capacitor in Tinkercad. So let's dive in. Hi friends, welcome back to our robotics journey, and today I will build a simple circuit using capacitor inside Tinkercad, right? Also we will learn how capacitor stores and discharges the electric charges, right? So before we start that, we should know what is capacitor. A capacitor is a small electronic device that can store and release electric charges for short time, right? So a capacitor stores electric charges temporarily, like water tank stores water and releasing it slowly, right? Measured in microfarads. So this is the unit of capacitor. Example, 100 microfarads. Okay.
A measure of capacitance.
Capacitance tells how much
Electric charge.
the capacitor can store, right? For example, a water tank stores water and flows out water through tap. So similar type action is done by this capacitor. Capacitor is a small electronic components, right? So this is a real image of capacitor, right? Now we should know what are the components used in circuit when we build. Need 9-volt battery, 100 microfarads capacitor, 1 LED, 100 kilo ohm resistor, 1 slide switch, and 1 multimeter, and also the breadboard and the jumper wires, right? Now we talk about working of the circuit. So when we switch on, means for the slide switch is concerned, there are 3 different legs. When the switch at the left terminal, then the switch is on and capacitor starts charging. LED is off at that time and multimeter shows voltage 9 volt, right? And similar like switch off towards LED means the switch just at the right terminal, then the capacitor discharges and LED glows briefly, then dims slowly, right? And multimeters shows voltage decreasing, right? Means when the circuit is on, the capacitor charges up, and when the circuit is off, the capacitor discharges the electric charges, right? Now this table shows how the circuit will work. The switch position, if it is a left terminal, then action is battery supplies power directly to the capacitor. LED status is off at that time, and capacitor status, capacitor is charging. Okay, means store the electric charges here. Okay, and when the switch position is the right terminal, means the action is battery is disconnected, and LED status is glows and slowly dims, right? The capacitor status is the capacitor is discharging, means capacitor releases the electric charges. right? Now I build the simple circuit using capacitor inside Tinkercad, right? Now in the Google, just write here Tinkercad, because Tinkercad is a web applications and it's a free tool. Okay, press enter, and at the first, whatever the link is there, just click on that. So it will open the Tinkercad applications, and on that case you should log in. Now I just log in into there and log in as a student account. Okay, and I logged in with my Google account. Okay, so after that I logged in within the Tinkercad account, and then we can build the circuit virtually, right? So it just takes some time to log in within the particular Tinkercad account is concerned. So now I have already logged in my Tinkercad account. Now in the right side given create, just click into there and select circuits. Okay, and after that the window will come, and the right side all the electronic components are given, right? So at first we take the breadboard from there. This is needed to build a circuit. Then we took a 9-volt battery. Okay, this is a 9-volt battery, and then we took a capacitor, just put into there, because we already know for the breadboard is concerned, this section is connected column wise and this section are connected with the row wise. So this is a positive, this is a negative. So we take a red wire and connect this one to this particular section, positive. That means this total row are positive. Okay, now take a black wire and then just connect in the negative part. So this is written into negative, so just connect here. So this section will be now all at the negative, means the ground is there. Okay, and should remember, for capacitor is concerned, this terminal 1 is taken as plus and terminal 2 taken as minus. It is a convention. Okay, and also we take a slight switch through which we can control the LED on and off, and also the capacitor charges and discharges. Okay, so from there this section we just connect with the plus, means this is the battery part. The leftmost part just connect with the plus of the battery, and the middlemost, this is connect, just choose as a purple color, and this will connect with this capacitor positive part, means terminal 1. Okay, and we take an LED also, and also take an resistor, and resistor just connect with the cathode, and after that we take a black wire and just ground it, means just go to the negative part, and this LED, this section is connect with this rightmost leg of the slide switch. So take suppose a yellow wire and then disconnect from there to this terminal. Okay, now take a black wire and this terminal 2 directly connect with this section of the minus, means the ground, and we take a multimeter also to check the voltage. Multimeter, and this is the multimeter. Multimeter is a positive, negative. So this negative is directly connect with this ground, and this positive, this red wire, just connect with this plus, means positive section, means the terminal 1 of the capacitor. Okay, we just put the value of the particular unit is concerned. For the capacitor we take 100 microfarads. Okay, and for the resistor is concerned we take 100 kilo ohm. Okay, after that we start simulation, and just see at very first the multimeter shows the 9 volt. That means the capacitor charges up, means the capacitor stores the electric charges. Now when we just switch off using this slide switch, just see the LEDs glow and just dim, and also the voltage is reduced, means the capacitor discharges the electric energies or electric charges, right? So this is a very simple circuit using capacitor inside the Tinkercad. I hope you have understood today's video. Today's video is very simple, how to build simple electronic circuit using capacitor inside Tinkercad, and also how the capacitor charges and discharges electric energy, right? I hope you have understood today's video. If you have some doubts, just write in the comment section. I will try to solve this problem. Those who are still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Keep watching Technical Arcane for more videos, because more robotics series will come very soon. So today up to this. Thank you and bye bye.